Hey everyone, and welcome back to the official Lantu Ebike YouTube channel. As a professional manufacturer of electric scooters and e-bikes in China, we're thrilled to introduce you to our brand new Nimo electric scooter, the ultimate ride for city commuting. Let's talk smart features. The Nimo comes with a crisp LED display and convenient NFC unlocking. The bright headlight ensures safe night riding, while the rear turn signal keeps you visible to traffic. Up front, there's a secure storage box with a combination lock. It's perfect for groceries or your helmet, and the lock gives you peace of mind. Plus, with a front disc brake and a heavy-duty frame, you're guaranteed a stable and safe ride. Need to ride with a friend? No problem. The Nimo features a comfortable dual-seat design for both solo and two-up rides. We've also added a rear suspension system to make sure the passenger enjoys a smooth, bump-free journey. All in all, the Nimo perfectly combines practicality with smart design, making it a standout choice for city life. If you're a dealer or retailer looking for bulk orders, feel free to reach out to us for a full product catalog and pricing details. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.